just the way I want it. Now, you need to glue it together. Oh, don't record that. Don't turn it off. Cool. There you have it. The veneer press is done. Now, why would I make a veneer press? Well, it's because I want to do some veneer work. And particularly what I want to do is I want to make my own plywood. Why would I want to make plywood? Well, I want to make a clock. And so this is something I've been wanting to do for a while. We had the video where I rebuilt the foot-powered scroll saw, and now I have a veneer press and I can make my own plywood, and I want to actually get to making a clock. So this is one more piece in the process. Hopefully soon we'll actually start making some plywood here, and I'll have a video showing how do you cut veneer with hand tools. That should be a really fun one. And we'll be going on about that. So hopefully we'll be taking a tree all the way through to a clock. And this is one of the pieces in that step. And I'd love to hear your ideas on that. If you do want to see more information on this, I have a whole second channel, Wood by Wright How To. And I'll leave a link to that down below. And I actually talk through the whole process, why I have different nuts and bolts in here, how I came up with this design, and what all is involved with that. So head on over to Wood by Wright How To, and you can find out more information about that. So I think that's about it for today. If you did like this, please hit like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell, and think about becoming a patron on Patreon or clicking the join button down below. There are so many ways that you can help out the channel and just say thank you for the content. I'm going to keep this as free as possible, and I don't like to have sponsors in the channel, so I am here for you, the viewers, and I hope you like that. I think that's about it for today, and until next time, have a wonderful day. The real reason I made this is when you really want to make flat pancakes.